Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to check out how to solve or fix the issue with the volume buttons in Redmi Note 7 Pro or Redmi Note 8 Pro or any Redmi device, because on all Redmi devices there is the MIUI and you can always follow this same method on any device. So guys, if you have a Redmi device or a Mi device, you can just watch this video completely without skipping so that you don't miss out on any step and you don't have any issue with your device. So guys, let's fix that, and now just let's roll the intro. So guys, we are here on the screen now. We have two types of issues with your device. It might be a software issue or a hardware issue. So first of all, let's talk about the software issues. So now let's move on to the settings section, and now here you'll have to move to the sound and vibration section, and over here make sure your DND is set to regular and it's not on DND or silent mode, and schedule time turn on time, make sure it is off, and then keep the setting the DND mode on regular. Then you can come back to the same settings section, and then you can just go ahead and check out if there is an update. If there is an update, make sure you update, and if there is no update, then it's fine. I'll get you covered in the video. So if both these things are not working, then there might be an issue with the hardware. So you will have to go to our technician, to a MI store, and then get your buttons fixed. You can just go there, and if there is no warranty, also they will not charge you much. But then if they too can't solve the issue, you can just go ahead to the Play Store and use a virtual like buttons on the screen, virtual buttons, virtual volume buttons. You can download any of those. So let's go with the first one, because it has a 4.3 star rating. You can go ahead and install it. It's just 1.8 MB, and until it installs, make sure to like this video, comment down below whether this solved your issue, and if it did, make sure to leave a comment that it's working. So like this video, share it with your friends, and let it install, and I'll show you how you guys have to set that up. So now that it is installed, go back to the home screen of the mobile phone, and here go back to the application where it is installed. It's over here, the volume this thing. Now it will ask you for some permissions. Cookies policy: we use device identifiers to ensure we show you advertising that is relevant to you and analyze our traffic. However, you can change your cookie settings at any time by clicking OK. Now let's just accept that, and what you guys need is the floating button on your screen so that you don't have to press your volume rockers. So now click on these floating buttons over here and click on show buttons on screen. Give a tick mark there, and if you have to fix the opacity, allow display over other apps, make sure you enable this and go back there, and the app needs the do not disturb permission. Do you want to grant it now? Click on yes, and now search for the application, that is volume, right? Give the permission for the same and click on allow, and then go back, and you can adjust the transparency of the button here. You can increase it fully, or you can have it to half or something like that, and now when you come back to the screen, the icon will be there. So now what you have to do is just tap on this whenever you have to increase or decrease your volume. All these buttons appear. You can adjust your volumes on all these three. So this is how it's done if the button isn't working. So that's it in this video, guys. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment that this trick works, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe, because we are almost reached 2k. We have 1.98k subscribers. We just need more 13 subscribers for 2000. 1987 subscribers are there currently. So do that. That's it in this video. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.